Hi, everyone. Dr. Rebecca here. Not all hiring tests are useful. Some look structured, detailed, and even scientific, but don't actually help predict who will succeed on the job. So, how can you tell the difference? It comes down to how well the assessment measures what matters. In this video, we'll focus on how to evaluate hiring tests by examining reliability, validity, and job relatedness, and why these concepts matter for making effective selection decisions. There are three key questions to ask about any hiring tool. Is it consistent? Does it relate to job performance? And is it clearly connected to the job itself? These ideas are known as reliability, validity, and job relatedness. Let's start with reliability. Reliability is about consistency. If the same person were evaluated multiple times, would the results be similar? If different evaluators reviewed the same candidate, would they each reach similar conclusions? If not, the results can't be trusted. For example, imagine a candidate interviews with two different managers. One rates them as excellent, while the other rates them as average, based on the same responses. Or imagine the same candidate takes a test twice and receives very different scores each time. In both cases, the issue isn't the candidate, it's the inconsistency of measurement. Next is validity. Validity asks a more important question. Does the assessment actually tell us something meaningful about how someone will perform on the job? A test can be consistent and still not be useful. It may measure something clearly, but not something relevant. For example, a company might use a personality test that measures how outgoing someone is. That test may be very consistent, producing stable results every time. But if the job requires careful analysis and independent work, being highly outgoing may not relate to performance at all. So the test is reliable, but not valid for the role. That leads us to the third concept, job relatedness. This is about alignment. Does the assessment reflect the actual tasks, skills, and responsibilities of the job? If it doesn't, even a well-designed tool may not lead to better decisions. For instance, imagine hiring for a customer service role that depends heavily on handling difficult conversations. If the selection process focuses mainly on technical knowledge tests, it may overlook whether candidates can actually communicate effectively or manage conflict. Even a well-designed test won't help if it isn't measuring what the job actually requires. These three items work together. If a tool is inconsistent, its results are unreliable. If it is consistent but not relevant, it doesn't help with the decision making. But when an assessment is consistent, predictive, and clearly tied to the job, it becomes a meaningful source of information. Think about the difference between two hiring tools. One is a highly consistent test that measures something unrelated to the job. The other is a structured work sample that reflects actual job tasks and produces consistent evaluations. Both may look structured, but only one provides useful information for making decisions. So why does this matter? Because hiring decisions depend on the quality of the information used. When assessments measure the wrong things, decisions become less accurate. Candidates may be selected or rejected based on factors that don't actually relate to performance. This can lead to situations where a candidate is selected because they performed well in a test that doesn't reflect the job, while another candidate who may have performed better in the actual role is overlooked. Over time, this affects not just individual hires, but overall team performance and organizational results. The value of a hiring test is not in how it looks, but in what it actually measures. And the more closely it reflects real job requirements, the more useful it becomes in making effective decisions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.